A new Peterbilt rollback is now available at Midco Sales in Chandler, Arizona. This truck has a Paccar 300 horsepower engine with an automatic transmission and air ride suspension. It has a Jerr-Dan steel rollback body. It has a 22-foot steel deck with a 3,500-pound wheel lift and a Ramsey 8K winch. In the ditch, aluminum toolboxes are mounted on each side. Midco Sales is the Jerr-Dan dealer in Arizona and has a full inventory of rollback and record tow trucks available. Visit us online to see our full inventory.